episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. Today I am making pork chops as someone has requested them. So this is for the person who requested them, as I will show you that they requested it below. So the first thing you got to do is put your pan so that you can get it nice and hot so that you can cook the pork chops. So let's go do that. So you got your pan and now you're going to turn it on to number 6. If you can see that, number 6. Good. There, it's number 6. Now you got to put the olive oil in there. So let's do that. Let's add the olive oil while the pan is heating up and getting nice and hot. There we go. And you just move it around. So the first thing you want to do with this meat is you want to season it. So we're going to put some salt on it. Gonna add some black pepper to it. And some oregano. And now you want to squish it all in so it gets all on there. And you're going to do it to the other side also. Some salt. Black pepper. And of course some oregano. Now that you've already put all your good stuff on your meat, as I always say, season, 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 and the pan is hot, you're going to add it into the pan. Just like that. And you're going to cook it for about 5 minutes on each side, and then you're going to check it. Now it's been 5 minutes, so now you're going to flip your meat and you're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. You see it's coming out nice and golden brown. Now you want to check your meat because it's been 5 minutes on either side and it's nice and golden brown. So you're going to take a piece and you're just going to go into it to make sure that it looks white and it doesn't look pink. Because you need to make sure that it's fully cooked. So far, it looks like it needs to be cooked for another 2 minutes on each side, and it should be good to go. So let's do that. So now that you've cooked it on each side for another 2 minutes, just to make sure that it's all white and not pink inside, once you're done with that, you gotta try your food, because you can't just say that you like cooking if you ain't gonna try it, because you don't want to give it to someone that's gonna taste really nasty. You want it to taste really good. So we're gonna try a piece of this meat. Okay? So I got a piece right here. We're going to try it to see how good it is. That is really good, to be very honest. But be careful. It might be very hot. And you don't want to burn yourself, so be very careful. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe by clicking the little subscribe button below that's red. And click the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a video at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Times, except for Sundays. I do not upload. Also, hit the thumbs up button, share smash it, squash it, hit it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Hit the thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, comment below if there's something you want me to do. 2 people have asked me to do something, and I've done them. So please, I will do them. I will do what you request. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. That's me. And thank you for being part of J Squad. That's still me and you guys, because we are a squad. And also, remember, the most important thing is be happy.